really excited because I'm opening a mystery box from Nurse Katie Does Nails. She has an Etsy shop. I'll leave a link in the description. And she does these mystery boxes. And I've seen a couple of them opened online, and they just look like so much fun, and they had so many cool things in them that I decided to get one. I've been hanging on to it for a few days now because I wanted to open it with you guys. So here we go. Now I've got the TV playing in the background because I'm hoping if it's not too quiet, maybe, just maybe, the puppy will behave. Whoops, camera quake, sorry about that. Oh, you're curious now, are you? Did you come to help? Don't knock anything over, okay? Puppy's got his nose in here. Wants to know what's going on. Thinks for sure I'm opening a package. It must be for him. Oh, she has this very well packaged. It had to come from the US to Canada. And she has it very carefully. There goes the camera again. I'm so sorry. There we are. All right. Let's get something sharp here. Oh, there we go. Oh. I don't want to damage anything inside. Probably hear some noise in the background. Heavy machinery. I live near working construction sites. There's a lot of noise. I don't mind it. And Leo doesn't mind it at all. He likes to watch all the big machines. Bless her sweet little heart. She certainly packaged this very well. Which is good because it has been nasty weather here. Seems like we get one day of sunshine and then we get a week of rain. I hope we're getting our April showers out of the way early. Maybe that's what it is. There we are. Pretty tape she used. How cute is that? Toss that away and I think let's have a look here. Which well, I suppose common sense would say if it's taped here, it must open here. Damage the box. Oops, spoke too soon. There you go. That's Leo and his toy. He's bringing his ball over. He usually lays behind my chair. I swear I'm opening this upside down. Pretty sure I am. Oops. tape. I like these little blades because they retract automatically. It's a lot safer than leaving utility knives laying around there not retracted. And picking it up and handle with care, fragile. Okay. Good pink bubble wrap with hearts. Oh, Merry Christmas, one day after St. Patrick's Day. Look at this. A free gift. Buffer and a file and a little cuticle pusher. Thank you. Pile going here. Oh, and a lovely card. That's nice. What's this? Olive moisturizing mask. Oh, I will definitely use that. Definitely use that. Is this one of the ones that you wet and you put on your face? A sheet mask, I think they're called. Wonderful. I love those. What on earth? What is this adorable thing? Maybe somebody else knows. If you know what this is for, please let me know in the comments below. What on earth? It's so cute. Love that color. I would wear a lip gloss of that color. Is this lip gloss? No. I would wear a lip gloss in this color. I like that color. Oh, look at this green. Oh, my goodness. Katie, you darling. Oh, my. Oh, that's beautiful. Oop. Oh, that's pretty. Oh, can't wait to use it. Okay. Did you come to see what I have? Is that what you're doing? Did you come to help? Hmm? Did your little nose in here? Nothing for you. All right, this is, oh, I love these. They go under your eyes. Listen, not only because of my age, but also it's hereditary, I think, in my family. I can remember my grandmother having dark circles under her eyes. We all have it. Ooh, marine collagen eye mask. Oh, yes, please. And it's especially nice if you put them in the fridge and then put them under your eyes. Oh, yes. Very nice. What's here? Oh! Some nail foils. When you order these mystery boxes, Katie sent you a note and she asked you to give her an idea of what you like. And she customizes these to your likes. And I told her that I'm an old sci-fi geek. And I'm a unicorns and rainbow person. And my favorite color is purple. Oh, look. Oh, I love these. It's like little circles. They're hearts and stuff. Oh, look at. Very holographic. I'm sorry if that's flashing. There we are. It's pretty. Get back in there. She must have so much fun doing this. She puts a lot of love into these. I think she had two options in her shop, a small one and then a larger one. I went for the larger one, and even then It's a really good price. Okay. Oh, I like that too. I love foil paper. I love things that are iridescent, and I like sparkles. I like it when I can get things open. Well, you can see it, right? Hang on, let's see. Give it one more try. Oh, you win. Oh, so this one's a silver. Oh, look at that. Oh. How pretty. Are you gonna stick your nose in again? You think this is for you? Yes, it really isn't, you know. Hmm? No, I'm afraid not. Stickers. Oh, pretty and cute. I like things that are kawaii. Cute and pinks and pastel colors. I also like the opposite of that. Those are pretty. I like really deep jewel tones as well. Puppies. Oh, I think they're Frenchies, little French bulldogs. And what else do we have here? Oh my goodness. These are so cute. Oh, these are from E-Nail Couture. I have ordered from them. I like their things. Well, very cute. Oh, yes please. Oh, yes please. Clear sparkles. Rhinestones. Different sizes. Can never have too many of those because I use them a lot. Oh my goodness. Joint sealant glue. Oh my goodness. And that one says free gift. Oh, bless your heart. Listen, she is definite. She's not. You really get more than your money's worth with these. She does this, I think, just for the sheer joy of it. Oh, I love these with the studs. They look really great with I like those with I think I've done a set of black ones, and then I had these on it, kind of like a motorcycle jacket. Oh, what are these? Oh, these are new. I have never seen these before. Whoop, whoop, whoop. I broke the bag. Oh dear. Oh dear. Got little ticks started. There we go. Pretty are these? Oh, they're beautiful. Look at that. I hope you can see them. Oh my goodness, they're pretty. It's back in here or I'll have it all over the place. Open. Oops. Open. There we go. Pastel stars with, oh my goodness, aren't they pretty? Whoop, 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 whoop. I hope you can't hear the TV, because to me it sounds a little bit loud, and I didn't mean for it to be quite that loud. Oops. Oh, because there's explosions. All right. Oh, come on now. I'm gonna pause for a second and turn that TV down. I'm so sorry. Okay, I'm back. And I managed to coax this open. And, whoops, wrong one. Oh, all right then. Oh, I see. 2 different sizes of these stars. Oh. So I figured out why I wasn't opening them very easily. It's because you're supposed to peel it back at the top. Oops. Oh, it's fun doing things the hard way, though. Oh. Oh, look at these. Oh, my goodness. Now, this is something I definitely don't have. She's got old favorites in here. Things I'm going to get use out of everything that she has sent. So there we are. Isn't that pretty? Oh, I can't wait to use those. Put them back. No getting lost. This is even more fun than I thought it would be. I was looking forward to it. But it's even more fun than I was hoping. Open. There we go. So that's the same as the other ones, only a different size, a larger size. These are so pretty. They're flat back, and then they're iridescent, sparkly pastel colors for spring. If spring ever gets here. Goodness. Whoop. Camera quake. That's what I get for complaining about the weather. Camera quake. Ooh. Oh my goodness, this is. Look at this. It looks like sparkling mica powder. Oh my. Oh, I can mix some colors. And then there's some more sparkles. Oh. Shiny. Beetles. 3 different colors of Beetles gel. Oh, green. Oopsie daisy. Green, pink, and purple. Ooh. Looky what we have here. Get out of that bag. There we go. I win. Okay. Green. Okay. Oh, that's pretty. Just be careful putting it back on. Lavender. Oh, that's a nice bright one. A cheerful color. I hope I'm not too close to the camera. I guess I'll find out in editing, won't I? Oops. And pink. I love pink. I call pink a happy color. And I especially love that pink. It's like a bubblegum pink. There was a time when I would have worn a lip gloss this color. Not now, but in my younger day. Ooh. So I did not know how to pronounce this. I've heard some of the ladies pronounce it as Ijawi. Let's go with that. Easy. Okay. I think I just made that up on the spot. What do we have here? I don't know what it is. You know what though? Curiosity. I'll bet it's like a rhinestone glue or something. Yeah, it is. Oh, it's a nice thick one. Oh, so like a sculpting glue. Could also be used for rhinestones. Oh my. Oh, can always use that. I go through a lot of it. There we go. Getting lazy now, not putting them back in their pegs. Oh, Leo, please don't pick that up. Please don't pick that up. Mommy can get it without your help. Yeah. Nope. He's a good boy. He didn't try to touch it or eat it. Which is good because let me tell you, he can run faster than I can. And last but not least, oh, some nails and glue. Okay, this is wonderful. Thank you so much. I am really, really, genuinely, sincerely thrilled with this. And I hope that you will check out her Etsy store, because how much fun is this, right? It's like opening your presents on Christmas morning. You know you're getting cool stuff, but you don't know what it is. So it's pleasant surprises. My goodness. So this really, I mean, this is such a great, it's not only is it a great deal, it's fun. And you get so much stuff. Useful. There's no crap in it. It's all really, really great stuff. Sorry about the big noise. I didn't mean to do that. I'm sorry. Thank you so much, Katie. And thank you everyone for watching. This was fun. Bye now.